Hi, my name is Venkanna Kota. Today, I want to discuss the phase velocity and group velocity. First of all, we have to discuss phase velocity. What is phase velocity and definition of phase velocity? Phase velocity is defined as that velocity of plane wave with which it propagates in a transmission line with constant pace. It is denoted as v suffix v. And phase velocity is also defined as the velocity with which a signal of single frequency propagates along the line at a particular frequency f. So here it is denoted with v suffix p. And here the expression for the phase velocity, if the lambda is wavelength, then the expression for phase wavelength v suffix v is equal to lambda g by time. So here lambda g is the guided wavelength by time t. So therefore vp is equal to lambda g by t. So here t is equal to 1 by f. T is equal to 1 by f. Time period universal proportional with the frequency. So that's why in the place of t we have to substitute 1 by f. So then vp is equal to lambda g by 1 by f. So that is equal to lambda g into f. So here lambda wavelength, it is lambda is equal to 2 pi by beta. Lambda is also written as 2 pi by beta. So lambda value substitute in the above equation vp. Then vp is equal to vp as phase velocity is equal to 2 pi by beta into f. So here 2 pi f by beta. So here 2 pi f is there, 2 pi f. So here angular velocity omega is equal to 2 pi f. So in the place of 2 pi f we have to substitute angular velocity omega. Then v suffix p is equal to omega by beta. So this equation is phase velocity equation. So here velocity of propagation of waves never exceed the velocity of light. So the phase velocity is defined as the ratio omega to the beta. Omega is angular frequency and beta is phase shift. Omega by beta equal to phase velocity. Next, coming to the point of group velocity. Now we have to discuss group velocity. So group velocity is defined as the velocity of envelope of a wave in which each component travels with a different velocity is termed as group velocity. Group velocity is denoted with Vg. So it is Vg is written as d omega by d beta. So here the rate of change of omega angular frequency with respect to the beta, that is equal to group velocity. In this group velocity, the waves are travel in a transmission line with different frequencies. So that's why angular frequency varied with respect to the beta phase shift value. So it is defined as Vg is equal to d omega, the rate of change of omega with respect to d beta, rate of change of phase shift value. So that's why Vg is equal to d omega by d beta. So it is also written as omega 2 minus omega 1 by beta 2 minus beta 1. So here generally energy losses systems travel with a group velocity. And thank you, the topic is over. For more classes, for more updates, definitely all the students subscribe my channel. Thank you.